Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete React pipeline in Chatbot using n8n. So we will connect Google Drive, Pinecone, and OpenAI to create a chatbot that can answer questions based on documents you upload. So this is the document I have. It's all about the best AI tools by category. And let me let me go inside and see. So the step one is Google Drive trigger. So for any workflow, we need to start with the trigger. So this is our starting point. We are using the Google Drive trigger node. It watches a specific folder. In this case, my FAQ folder. So whenever a new file is uploaded, the workflow automatically kicks in. After that, we have download file. The download file node takes that newly uploaded file from Google Drive and then downloads it. So this is important because we will need the file's content to process and embed it later. And then after that, we have embeddings with OpenAI. Now we use the embeddings OpenAI node. So it's gonna convert chunks of text into numerical vectors, which allows us to search and retrieve relevant content later. So think of embeddings as turning text into math for the AI to understand. We have Pinecone vector store. So those embeddings are then sent to the Pinecone vector store. So we insert the vectors into a namespace called FAQ over here. This is basically our knowledge base, like where all the information from our documents will live. After that, we have text pre-processing. We have two helper nodes. So one is default data loader, and then the other is recursive character text splitter. So to so the job of these two helper nodes is to handle the long documents. So default data loader, it's gonna load the document content. Recursive character text splitter, it's gonna break down large text into smaller manageable chunks. This ensures that the embeddings are accurate and don't miss any details. I will show you by running the workflow. Let's execute the workflow. You can see over here. So the document has been splitted into 52 different items. So 52 different chunks. Over here you can see there are 52 different chunks. So after that, let's move to the chatbot part. So we use the chat trigger node. So it's gonna listen for incoming messages from the users. Whenever someone asks a question, it starts the chatbot workflow. We have the OpenAI chat model. So this is our brain. Here we connect to ChatGPT 4.1 mini, which will generate the answers. But instead of guessing, we will feed it relevant context from Pinecone again. So to retrieve the right context from the vector database, we use another Pinecone vector store node. So, but this time we're gonna change the operation mode and we're gonna set it as retrieve documents as tool for AI agent. So when a user asks a question, it pulls the most relevant chunks of information from our FAQ database and then sends them to the AI model. Finally, the AI agent node merges everything together. It combines the chat model for generating answers. It's gonna it's gonna combine the Pinecone tool for retrieving knowledge and then returns the final response to the user in natural language. So I'll show you by asking some questions to the chat model. I'll ask, what are the best image generation AI tools? So let's wait for the response. So it says, so the built-in image generation feature in ChatGPT, Midjourney. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini for general image generation task, but for highly artistic and beautiful results, many users prefer Midjourney. So let's go and check in the document. So the image generation, you can see over here GPT-4o Midjourney, and that's it. We have built a complete rack pipeline with Google Drive for document input, OpenAI for embeddings and answers, Pinecone for storing and retrieving knowledge, and n8n to automate the workflow. So with this setup, you can upload documents and instantly have a chatbot that knows their content.